Hello everyone. Now welcome again in your maths class. Students, as you all know that this is a question number 8 exercise 15.1. Okay? Okay. And Khushi, this is for you. I think there was a confusion. Okay? खुशी मैंने वहाँ पे क्या किया हुआ था, इस डी को मैंने इस लाइन सेगमेंट से ड्रॉ किया था, मैंने इसको इसी यही लेट कर लिया था. सो मैं अब इसका एक डिफरेंट मेथड से इसे सॉल्व करके दिखाती हूँ. इज दैट क्लियर खुशी? ओके. Now, in this figure, that is the parallelogram ABCD. Okay. Now, we will draw a line segment that is DB. Okay. Means that is the height. Okay. And students, if I join this line, so that is the one side of a triangle. Or we can say the diagonal of this parallelogram. Okay. So now join this. Okay, students. Now, this is a parallelogram ABCD. Okay. So, in parallelogram, yes, ABCD, as you all know that opposite sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides are equal. Okay, so that means AB is equal to, yes, DC. AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Okay, AD is equal to BC. Is that clear, Khushi? Okay. First, students, as you can see here, that is the diagonal of this parallelogram, or we can say that is the line segment which is BD. Okay, DB. Is that clear? So, can you tell me what is the area of this parallelogram? Yes, area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, what is the formula of this parallelogram? That is base into height. Okay, that is given to the question. Okay, that is H, and that will be 8 here. Okay, 8 centimeter. Okay, is that clear? Okay. Listen, in a parallelogram ABCD, the length of the altitude to AB is 8. Means जो AB पर altitude है, altitude means perpendicular है, वो 8 centimeter given है. Okay. So what is the length of the altitude corresponding to BC? Means अब जो BC पर altitude है वो आपको find करना है. Altitude here DN, or we can say ND. Okay. Clear? Okay. Listen, area of the parallelogram, that is ABCD. Okay, so that will be base into height. So what is the base of this parallelogram? That is, yes, base is here AB and height is here MD. Okay, so AB that is 20, MD that is 8. Okay, so that will be 160, okay, centimeter square. That is the area of this parallelogram. And students, we can find the area of this parallelogram one more way. So students, we find the area of this parallelogram in other way. Yes, we know that area of this parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of, yes, area of triangle ABD. Okay, ABD, and area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD. Okay. Now, area of parallelogram, yes, ABCD, that means, that is, students, ये हम find कर चुके हैं. Okay, I have found already. Okay, so that is 160 centimeter square is equal to area of triangle ABD. So what is the formula of this triangle ABD? So that will be half into base. Base is here, that is AB. And height that will be MD. Okay, plus in this triangle, area of triangle BCD. Okay, so half base. What is the base of this triangle? That is BC. And what is the height of this triangle? That is DN, or we can say ND. Okay? Okay. Now we will put the value of these things. So 160 is equal to, that will be 1 upon 2. AB. What is the AB here? That is 20. What is the MD here? That is 8. Plus half. What is the BC here? Students, as you can see here, AD is equal to BC. Okay. If AB is equal to 20, then DC is equal to 20. Okay. And AD is equal to BC, because opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. So that will be also 10 centimeter. Okay. So BC is here, that is 10 centimeter, and ND we have to find. Okay. Is that clear? So ND will be as it is. Okay. Now 160 is equal to, that will be, students, we will cut here, that is 10 times. So 10 into 8 plus, that will be 2 5s are 10, 5 into ND. Okay. Now 160 is equal to, that will be 80 plus 5 ND. So we can write as this 80 will be here, that will be negative, is equal to 5 ND. So that will be 80 is equal to 5 ND, or we can write as 5 ND is equal to 80, and then ND is equal to 80 upon 5. So that will be ND here, that is, yes, that is 5 ones are 5, and that is 30, 5 6 are 30, 16 centimeter. Is that clear? So that is your answer. Hence, the length of the altitude corresponding to BC, that is 16 centimeter. Okay, so that is your answer. Is that clear? Okay, Khushi? Okay, now I am repeat. Okay, let me tell you again. Listen very carefully. That is a parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so length of the altitude AB, जो AB पर altitude है वो given है आपको वो गिवन है आपको 8 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, एंड आपको वो लेंथ फाइंड करनी है जो इस BC पर है, जो इस BC पर है. ओके, सो BC पर ये एल्टीट्यूड है, आपको ये फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो इन अ पैरेललोग्राम opposite sides are equal. Okay, you all know that. So AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Okay, because this is 10, so it will also be 10, and that is 20, so that will be also 20. Okay, clear? So area of parallelogram, what is this? Base into height. Okay, so base is here 20 and height is here 8. Okay, so that will be 160 centimeter square. So that is the formula of parallelogram. And one more method to find the parallelogram area of two type of triangle. Okay, so area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Okay, so area of this triangle ABD, so that is the base, that is the height. Okay, clear? Plus 1 upon 2 area of triangle BCD. So BCD. So that is the base BC and that is the height ND. जो height होती है वो perpendicular होती है, means तभी उसे हम altitude बोलते हैं. Okay, so that is 5 into ND, क्योंकि ND हमें find करनी है, so it will be same. Okay, so that is 160, that is 10 into 8, that is 5 into ND, and now that is 80, this will be here minus 80, so here 80 is equal to 5 ND. So okay, we can write as just opposite, so that will be 5 ND is equal to 80, ND is equal to 80 upon 5, so that will be 16 centimeter. Okay, so hence the length of this altitude corresponding to BC, that is ND, so ND is here 16 centimeter. Okay, so now that's all for today. Okay, Khushi? Okay, so bye, have a nice day.